Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Xiaomi 17 Pro and the Google Pixel 10 Pro. These two powerhouses bring jaw-dropping displays, cutting-edge chipsets, and camera tech that could redefine your photography game. But who truly dominates in screen quality, processing power, battery life, and innovative features? Can Xiaomi's beastly 6300 mAh battery outlast Google's Pixel 10 Pro? Does the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 crush the Tensor G5 in real-world speed? And when it comes to cameras, which phone captures your world better with its advanced zoom and AI magic? Stick around because we're diving deep, and here's the kicker. Is Xiaomi's flashy secondary rear display just a gimmick or a game changer? Let's find out. Starting with the display, Xiaomi 17 Pro offers a slightly larger 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with an impressive 3500 nits peak brightness and Dolby Vision support. Plus, a unique secondary 2.7-inch display on the back, also boasting Dolby Vision and HDR10+ at 3500 nits peak. In contrast, Google Pixel 10 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO OLED delivers a sharper resolution with 495 ppi density but peaks at 3300 nits brightness. The secondary display on Xiaomi is a standout feature for multitasking and notifications, making its screen setup more versatile and visually striking. This extra screen alone makes Xiaomi's display tech leap beyond the usual flagship experience. Under the hood, Xiaomi 17 Pro packs the blazing Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 built on 3nm technology, featuring a powerful octa-core CPU with 2 cores clocked at 4.61 GHz, delivering unmatched raw performance. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro runs on Google's Tensor G5, also 3nm, but with a more modest CPU clock speed topped at 3.78 GHz. The Snapdragon's Adreno 840 GPU offers superior graphics power compared to Google's Imagination Power VR, making Xiaomi the clear winner for gamers and power users craving top-tier speed and efficiency. When it comes to special features, Xiaomi 17 Pro flaunts a magic back screen, ultra-wide band support, and a massive vapor chamber cooling system spanning 4,637 mm² to keep performance stable under heavy use. Google Pixel 10 Pro counters with its Titan M2 security coprocessor, satellite SOS service, and AI Gemini Nano for smarter AI-driven experiences. While Google's security and AI features are impressive, Xiaomi's combination of innovative rear display and advanced cooling technology offers a more eye-catching and practical edge for everyday users. The camera battle is fierce. Xiaomi 17 Pro's triple 50MP setup includes a wide f1.7 lens and a periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, delivering stunning detail and versatility. Google Pixel 10 Pro also sports a 50MP wide lens and 5x periscope zoom, but adds a wider ultrawide at 123 degrees. Xiaomi's ability to shoot 8K video at 30 FPS with Dolby Vision HD and ultra-slow motion at 1920 FPS gives it an edge for video enthusiasts craving cinematic quality and creative freedom. Xiaomi 17 Pro impresses with Leica Summilux optics, a laser autofocus system, and the unique Magic Backscreen enhancing photography with real-time previews and Lighthunter 950L sensor for superior low-light shots. Google Pixel 10 Pro counters with multi-zone laser AF, pixel shift, and ProRes zoom up to 100x, plus intelligent object removal and conversational photo editing. Xiaomi's Leica partnership and innovative rear display integration makes its camera features feel both premium and futuristic. Battery-wise, Xiaomi 17 Pro dominates with a massive 6300 mAh silicon-carbon lithium-ion battery, promising longer screen-on time and endurance. While Google Pixel 10 Pro settles for a 4870 mAh Li-ion cell. For users who demand all-day power without hunting for a charger, Xiaomi's battery is a clear standout. In terms of build, Xiaomi combines dragon crystal glass front with a fiberglass back and aluminum frame, offering durability with a unique material twist. Google Pixel 10 Pro uses the robust glass Victus 2 on both front and back with an aluminum frame, focusing on premium feel and scratch resistance. Xiaomi's use of dragon crystal glass might intrigue those looking for innovation beyond standard Gorilla Glass. Both phones share IP68 ratings for dust and water resistance, allowing immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This parity means users get flagship-level durability regardless of choice, so no compromises here. Memory configurations show Xiaomi 17 Pro offering 12GB to 16GB RAM options with up to 1TB storage, while Google Pixel 10 Pro starts at 16GB RAM across all variants with the same maximum storage. Xiaomi's slightly more flexible RAM options may appeal to users who want premium performance without necessarily opting for the highest RAM tier.